Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix NVIDIA graphics not found in Device Manager on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to go into our search bar and then type Device Manager. Now, once you type Device Manager right here, just click on Open. And then after opening, in this part, what we are going to do is to scroll down until you see System Devices. So just click the drop down button, which is right here, and then look for PCI. So look for PCI Express root port. So you will see a bunch of root port right here. So the one that you're looking for is the one with a warning icon beside the icon. So let's say, for example, that this one has a problem. So what we're going to do is to right click on it and then click Update Driver. After that, click search automatically for drivers right here. And then after that, make sure that the best driver is now installed in your PC or laptop. Now, what we're going to do next is to close this and then go here on the search bar and then search for CMD. After that, click Run as Administrator. And then in this part, we're going to type bcd edit space / set space PCI Express space force disable. After that, all you have to do is to click on enter. And then after doing that, what we're going to do next is to go into our browser. So once you're now on the browser, what we're going to do next is to go here on the search bar and then search for NVIDIA app download and then click on enter. After doing that, just click the first link, which is right here. So you will be redirected into this website. So all you have to do is to click the download now button. And then after that, let's wait for this to finish. Now, once you install it, all you have to do is to open that app, and then you can now update your drivers inside those software. So after that, once you update your drivers, just go here on the Windows icon. And then in this part, just restart your PC. And then once you do that, that should fix your problem.